A single error in a cross-border wire can freeze thousands in inventory because international transfers generally cannot be reversed. Traditional bank wires often cost up to $65, and slow letters of credit can take 2 weeks to issue. If you're looking for the most efficient way to pay Chinese suppliers, there's a better way to bridge the gap between your US accounts and a Chinese factory that saves 4 hours of work every month. Now, before we move on, quick note, this video contains affiliate links. So if you decide to try Melio and sign up through them, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This helps support the channel so I can continue producing data-driven research for business owners. Now, let's get started. The impossible problem, the high cost of distance. Beyond product logistics, the real impossible problem is the payment system. Traditional banking relies on intermediary banks where everyone takes a cut and delivery timelines are never guaranteed. A standard international wire costs between $40 and $65, and some banks even charge extra fees to your supplier. While the alternative, a letter of credit, reduces risk, it often costs between 0.75 and 1.5% of the transaction. On a $50,000 order, you could pay $750 in fees alone, which significantly bites into your profitability. This friction causes businesses to lose hours every month just managing global paperwork and bank logistics. The solution: streamlining the middleman. Melio acts as a centralized dashboard to bypass these manual banking hurdles and allows a US business to pay international vendors from the same interface used for domestic bills. The platform supports payments to China and over 80 other countries, including the UK, Canada, Mexico, and Germany. One of the core advantages is the removal of the account requirements, because your Chinese supplier does not even need to sign up for a Melio account to receive their funds. Plus, the process is exactly the same anywhere you pay overseas, so you don't have to learn a new system as you expand into different markets. Everything is handled through a digital dashboard that lets you track, manage, and sync payments with accounting software like QuickBooks Online and Xero. This is helpful because using two separate services for overseas and local vendors makes very little sense and makes reconciling your accounts much more complicated. By using one workflow, businesses can focus on their success rather than back office work. There are two primary ways to handle these transactions when dealing with China, which are sending US dollars directly or paying in the supplier's local currency, the Chinese yuan. Strategy 1. Paying in local currency. Data suggests that paying a vendor in their local currency can be a strategic advantage for building a long-term relationship. Many suppliers prefer this because it helps them avoid conversion fees and delays, provides predictable cash in their own currency, and simplifies their domestic bookkeeping and payroll. In some cases, suppliers may even offer you a better price if you pay in RMB. When you pay in Chinese yen, Melio handles the conversion for you. One of the biggest perks here is profitability. Melio's FX markup is significantly lower than other AP platforms. If you choose to pay with a credit card, you extend your float, and you can even earn rewards or points. Strategy 2. The fixed fee USD wire. If your supplier prefers to receive US dollars instead of yen, Melio converts the payment into an international wire transfer for predictable cost. And like traditional banks that charge high variable rates, Melio charges a flat $20 fee for international payments when you're sending US dollars. Whether you're sending $1,000 or $10,000, that $20 fee stays the same, which is a significant drop from the $40 to $65 average charged by the big banks. This flat fee model makes it much easier to calculate your total landed cost for products coming from China. You don't have to worry about hidden costs because Melio offers a range of subscription tiers to fit your business size, from a free Go tier to an unlimited plan for $80 per month. This allows you to choose the level of features you need without being locked into a one-size-fits-all monthly fee. Managing cash flow. Efficiency is not just about lower fees, but also about the timing of your money. One of the most difficult parts of sourcing from China is the cash gap, which is the time between paying your supplier and actually selling your products to customers. Melio offers a feature that lets you pay by card to help manage this gap. Even if your Chinese supplier only accepts bank transfers, you can pay with Melio using a MasterCard or Visa credit card. Melio then delivers the funds to the vendor via a wire transfer while you hold onto your cash longer by deferring the payments to the end of your billing cycle. This can give you up to 45 days of extra time before the money actually leaves your business. There is a standard credit card fee. For many businesses, this small fee is a better option than a high-interest loan when they need to keep their cash for other expenses like rent or marketing. The step-by-step workflow. The process of sending your first payment to China is designed to be fast and minimize mistakes. You start by adding your vendor details, and if a vendor has both a domestic and international address, you will need to create 2 separate contacts in the system to keep things organized. Once the vendor is in the system, you pick the currency they should receive and select your payment method, such as an ACH bank transfer or your credit card. The dashboard then shows you exactly what the vendor will receive in their currency alongside the total amount that will be deducted from your account in the US dollars. After you review and confirm the details, the payment is scheduled and the data syncs automatically with your accounting software to save you time on reconciliation. This entire workflow helps businesses save hours every month compared to the manual methods they used at their original bank. Limitations. While the benefits of lower fees and time savings are significant, there are a few practical considerations to be aware of. Currently, Melio is available for domestic payments across the entire US. However, international payment services are not yet available for businesses registered in Texas or Vermont. To maintain platform security, payments cannot be sent to industries invoicing diamonds, charities, or nonprofits. For orders over $100,000, simply plan for 1 additional business day for processing. However, it's worth noting that even with this extra day, Melio's international payments are significantly faster than any other alternative out there. While standard banking factors like holidays or weekends can influence delivery speed, these small adjustments are a minor trade-off for the transparency and cost efficiency you gain. Data-backed efficiency. Switching from manual bank wires is a choice based on data. Moving from a $65 bank wire to Melio's competitive international rates is a significant reduction in costs. Users also report saving 3 to 4 hours of back office work every month. The platform currently supports 16 foreign currencies and carries a 4.5-star Trustpilot rating. By paying both local and global vendors from one dashboard, you can stop worrying about bank logistics and focus on your business success. So, ready to try Melio? For a limited time, click the link in the description below to start your 30-day free trial with Melio's unlimited plan. You'll get unlimited features for a full month. The perfect way to take control of your payments and see why Melio is the right upgrade for your business. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.